The Ushock Pro is the world's first handheld, cordless, urologist-designed acoustic wave device. Low-intensity shockwave therapy has been clinically tested, and can help to promote blood flow, both by a direct effect on blood vessels blocked by plaque, and encouraging regenerative processes. The Ushock treatment protocol is performed for 15 minutes, twice per week in the privacy of your own home. The device is applied along the top of the penis, with each stroke running from the base and stopping just short of the head, or glans. Apply enough pressure so that you hear an internal click in the device. Treatments are painless. Avoid treating the bottom third of the penis to avoid injuring the urethra. Treat for 6 weeks, then take 4 weeks off. By owning your own device, you can save thousands of dollars. Our clinical specialists are always available if you have any questions.